across
the fields. And just back and home, time for bed.
Okay.
The end.
Boys and girls, how did Allison do?
Good.
Okay. I want you to give Allison a clap. Okay. Great job, Miss Lopez. Thank you so much. Allison, do you know what you're going to be when you grow up?
Yes, I do.
What are you going to be?
Well, first I'm gonna be a teacher. Then I'm gonna get like 3 jobs like you.
Oh, 3 jobs like my other jobs?
Yeah.
Okay, what are my other jobs?
Well, you work at a store and you babysit.
And what else?
You be a teacher at Whittier School and other schools.
That's right. Thank you for being in my class for 2 years. I will miss you mucho.